Today we are going to discuss some important topic that is previous years board important questions of determinant. So we are going to solve some examples and some the questions those are comes in previous years in board classes. So today's session is going to be very interesting because today we are going to discuss about all the things those are all the questions those are comes in previous years. So today's video is going to be very interesting because today's not only for interesting but also it is very important because today we are going to discuss some very important tools, some important questions, some important problems. How can we solve these questions and how can we perform on these questions? Let's see. So these questions are very important regarding board classes. So always careful that when you are going to solve these questions, you have to note in your notebook also. Okay, so let's start. What is the first question? Your first question is this comes in 2018 in RBSc. What is the question? Question is x plus 4 2x, it is a 2x 2x x plus 4, it is a twice of x, it is twice x and it is also twice x, it is x plus 4 and we have to prove 5x plus 4 and multiply by x minus 4 to the power 2. So students, this is a question and we have to solve this question. So question is not tough but we have to know how to solve this question. So look at here, x plus 4, x plus 4, x plus 4 is here, x plus 4 twice x, twice x, twice x, x plus 4 twice x, twice x, twice x, x plus 4. Just look at here, it is a 5x plus 4. How can we get 5x plus 4? Either how can we get x minus 4? So we have to think about it. So I am thinking that if it is a 2x, it is a 2x and it is x plus 4. If I add them, then we can get something. So what can we get? Firstly, I am going to solve this question. So I write again, it is a x plus 4, it is a twice x, it is a twice x, it is a twice x and x plus 4, it is a twice x, twice x, twice x and x plus 4. So how can we solve this question? Let's see, we are going to apply R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the operation and we are going to apply this operation. So how can we apply this operation? When we are saying that R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3, it means we have to add all the things at here. So we are going to change at the place of R1. So what is it here? 2x, 2x, x, it is a 5x plus 4. It is a 2x, x, 2x means it is a 5x plus 4. Twice x, 4x, x, 5x plus 4. It is a 5x plus 4. It is the same value. This is a 2x, it is a x plus 4. It is a twice x, it is a twice x and it is twice x, it is a x plus 4. Because you have to know that the places of R2 and R3 are not changes because we have operate only for R1. Okay, so both other rows are same. Now question arises, what can we do now? We are going to take some commons from there, so we can say that it is a 5x plus 4. So remaining part is a 1, 1, 1. It is a twice x, it is a x plus 4. It is a twice x, it is a twice x and twice x and x plus 4 is here. Now when you just find that there is a 1, 1, 1 in any rows or column, then if we have to operate C1 tends to C1 minus C2 or R1 tends to R1 minus R2. To look at here, if I subtract this minus this, so we can say that it is C1 minus C2, and if I subtract this minus this, so we can say that it is C2 minus C3. So I am going to apply what operation? I am going to apply C1 tends to C1 minus C2 and C2 tends to C2 minus C3 students. So what gonna happen now? What gonna happen? So it is a 0 look at here, it is 0. Twice x minus x, it is a x minus 4. So we can write here x minus 4. It here it is a twice x minus twice x, it means it is 0. And it here it is a 0. And here it is a twice x plus 4 minus twice of x. So we can say that x minus 2x means it is a minus x, and 4, it is a 4 minus x. So we can say that it is a 4 minus x. Okay, now what gonna happen? Twice x minus minus 4. So we can say that it is a x minus 4. So we can write here x minus 4, and other element it is 1 twice of x, and x plus 4 is the same. And we are not going to change C3 because we are going to operate only for C1 and C2. So we are not going to operate on the C3. Okay, so these are the same values, and something is left. What is 5x plus 4? So 5x plus 4 is already common. So is anything common? There is no common. So we are going, there are two zeros, and we know that if we get two zeros, then we have to open by third element. So what is the third element? Third element is this, so we have to operate by this. So left this and this, so we can say that it is x minus 4 to the power 2 minus 0 minus 4 minus x, it is 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is the 5x plus 4 x minus 4 to the power 2. It is your answer. It means it is a RHS, hence proved. Hindustan Petroleum. Okay students, we have completed this question. This is question. This was a question in 2018 in Rajasthan Board of Secondary Education. So now we are going to solve some extra questions. That is the other question. Other question is also available. So this question was comes. What is the question? Question is, it is very interesting. It is a ABC is a square, b square, c square, and it is 1 plus p cube, p a cube. It is a 1 plus p b cube, and it is 1 plus p c cube equal 1 plus p abc, 1 plus p ABC, 1 plus p ABC, and a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. A minus b, b minus c, c minus a. It was comes in 2016. This was comes in 2017. Okay, so we are going to solve a square 1 plus p a cube, b square 1 plus p b cube, c cube 1 plus b c cube, 1 plus p a b c, and it is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. It was comes in 2017. So it is important question because when we are saying about the board classes, so we have to solve previous year's questions also. It is very important to get the 100 out of 100 marks. Okay, so let's come and watch what can we do. We know that when we are saying about the articles of determinant, we know one article, if any row or column is added by two elements, then we can separate them. So how can we separate them? Just look at here. We are going to solve solution LHS. What is the LHS part? LHS is a, b, c. This is a square, b square, c square. It is a 1 plus p a cube, 1 plus p b cube, 1 plus p c cube. It is a question. Now I am going to separate them by a, b, c. A square, b square, c square. It is a 1, 1, 1, and other is a p. It is a square, p a cube, b square, p b cube, c square, p c cube. Okay, so students, this is a question. We have separate them in two parts. Now there is nothing common. Okay, here it is common. There is also not common. There is a common. Okay, here it is a b common and it is c common. P is common from this line also. So we can say that it is a b c a square b square c square 1 1 1, it is a plus, and it is p abc is the common, p abc is the common, so remaining part is the 1 a square 1 b square 1 c square. Okay, now these are looking like same, but there is some error. 1 1 1 is at this place, so we are going to convert it here. This to this means we are going to apply C2 with C1. I am going to change C2 with C1, so it is a b c a square b square c square 1 1 1, and it here p abc, and it here it is this to this. I am going to write this to this, so we can use here negative sign. If any two rows and columns are interchanging, then sign of the determinant is changed. So I just change, it is p abc, and it is a b c, it is a 1 1 1, it is a square b square c square. Okay, now again I am going to change R2, sorry, C2 tends to C2 change with C3. What gonna happen? It was in middle side, it is left side, and there is the positive sign. So we can say that it is a b c, it is a square b square c square 1 1 1, it is a minus plus, it is a p abc, it is a b c, it is a square b square c square, it is a 1 1 1. So students, this is a question. Now both are same. This is a square 1, it is a square 1, so it is the same. So we can take common, so remaining part is the 1 plus p abc. So 1 plus p abc is the common, so remaining part is the a square 1 b square 1 c square 1. Okay, so it is completed now. Now what can we do now? This is the one part, other is the other. We have to solve this. How can we solve this? There is the 1 1 1, so I am going to separate this minus this, subtract this minus this, and this minus this. It is says that I am going to apply R1 tends to R1 minus R2, and R2 tends to R2 minus R3. Okay, what happened here? It is a 1 plus p a b c in the bracket. It is a minus b, it is a minus b, it is a square minus b square, it is a 0. It is a b minus c, it is a b square minus c square, it is a 1, it is a 0, and it is a c square 1. Okay, now we know the formula of a square minus b square and b square minus c square, so we can can apply here. Okay, it is a visible area, I think, that's all. Okay, so it is visible area for you. Okay, so now we have to solve this question. How can we solve now? We have to require some spaces to solve this question. So I am going to clear some part of the board of this question. So I think you have written okay. Now 1 plus p abc is the common. 1 plus p abc is the common. So remaining part is, may I write a minus b? It is a minus b. It is a plus b and a minus b. It is 0. It is a b minus c. It is a b plus c and b minus c. It is 0. And it is same, that is a c square 1. Okay students, c square 1, it is the same. Now take the common from here and here. We can say that it is 1 plus b abc, and it is a minus b and b minus c, and after taking common it is 1, a plus b, it is 0, it is a 1, b plus c, it is 0, c square 1. Okay, now it is, we are on final stage. How can we solve? Let's see. So now I am going to open with respect of this. When I am going to operate, because there are two zeros, so I am going to operate with this. So if I operate, then this line and this line may be removed. So what is the remaining part? Remaining part is the 1 plus p abc, and it is a minus b, it is a b minus c, and what happened here? It is a b plus c minus a plus b. Okay, so it is a 1 plus p abc, it is a minus b, it is a b minus c, and it is a b plus c minus a minus b. So something is cancelled, b is cancelled by b, so remaining part is the 1 plus p abc, it is a minus b, it is a b minus c, and it is c minus a, it is a RHS students. So we have completed, it is hence proved, because LHS is equal to RHS. So how are you feeling now? I think feeling better. Okay, so we have completed.